Next, we'll address the client side of the payment process. Before we begin, we need to download the Braintree CN1 lib from the extension manager. Right-click the project and select Refresh Libs. We'll start the client side with the payment service class, which encapsulates the web service aspects. Payment service has a private constructor, so it can't be instantiated by other classes. We use the instance of this class to get callback events from the client-side purchase API using the purchase callback interface. Notice that we need a ride ID in the object instance so we can communicate purchase results to the server correctly. This is literally the entire purchase API process. We just invoke the native purchase UI and provide the callback instance for the native code. On purchase success is the first callback from the callback interface. It occurs when a purchase succeeded and produced a nonce. We can then send the nonce to the server with the ride ID. On purchase fail or cancel aren't very interesting in this use case. I chose to ignore them, but you might need them to know whether the charge UI should be shown again. Notice the only way to verify purchase success is on the server. Fetch token is a callback method in the callback interface. It's invoked internally by the onPurchase process to fetch the server token value that initializes the purchase process. This is pretty much everything. The only remaining piece is binding this into the UI. I've changed the OK button to pay with cash and added an option to pay with credit, which essentially maps to the Braintree API. This implements the full payment process integration, including credit card verification and everything involved. Once this is done, payment should now work both in the client and the server. The user is presented with an option to pay or use cash, which just dismisses the dialog.